Another Adobe Illustrator quick tip by Fatfly Design. In this video, I want to take a look at a topic in Illustrator that's maybe a little bit more advanced. Compound paths. I know when I was new to Illustrator, I wasn't really sure what compound paths were, and it took me a little bit to really get an understanding of them. Hopefully this video will help explain that to you. Compound paths are when two or more paths overlap. Where they overlap, they're see-through. In this example, I have one circle and I have two circles. And I think everybody would agree that they overlap each other. But where they overlap, it is not see-through. This is a red circle, this is a black circle. So what if I want to punch a hole through this circle to make this see-through? What I would need to do is select both of these objects and then go to Object, Compound Path, Make. Now, this is see-through. But how do we really know that it's see-through? This could simply be filled with white. So what I like to do to test this is just make another shape, turn it a different color, and move it to the back. Now you can see this is actually see-through. So this is a compound path. And if you keep in mind that compound paths are two or more objects, and I had two to begin with, and where they overlap, they're see-through. Now, don't be deceived by this. Over here, I have what looks to be exactly the same. But if I move this behind them, you can see they are not equal. This is simply a black circle and a white circle, and I happen to have a white background on my artboard. It looked like it was see-through, but it really wasn't. This is just a circle filled with white. But the one on the bottom, the example on the bottom, is actually a compound path. Just because you have a compound path doesn't mean it has to stay a compound path. What if you actually wanted to release this and not have this see-through? Well, you can do that. So I can select this compound path. I can go to Object, Compound Path. Now, if release is available, I know that's actually a compound path. So I'm going to release this. Now what happens when it releases it? It fills it with this color. But now this is an object that I can fill with another color again. You can turn objects into compound paths, and you can release compound paths. Hopefully that helps you understand a bit more about what compound paths are. Thanks for watching this Illustrator quick tip. I hope it was helpful. If you like what you saw, please hit like and subscribe below. And if you get a chance, visit my website at fatflydesign.com.